Mr. Dev Badal, meaning of receipt and payment account.
Receipt and payment account is that account which is opened at the time of
क्या हुआ बेटा?
goodwill is an intangible fixed asset which cannot be seen and touched, and under the goodwill a businessman can earn extra profit or money.
Realization account.
Realization account means that account which is opened at the time of dissolution of firm foreclose the assets and liabilities, in which assets are credited in at book value, and liability are debited in book value.
Liability are debited
No, credited,
or assets are credited.
debited.
द्वारा सुना meaning of realization account.
Realization account means that account which is opened at the time of dissolution of firm foreclose the assets and
Close
liabilities
नहीं
account.
dispose. या तो वो close the
Close.
books of account बोलो, या तो बोलो
हाँ,
for close the books of account ऐसे बोलो.
yes sir.
समझ गए ना?
Foreclose the book. हाँ,
हाँ.
foreclose the books of account in which all assets excluding cash and bank are transferred in debit side, and liabilities are paid off in credit side at their book value. After transfer of assets and liabilities, assets realized assets and liabilities assets realized in credit side and liability realized in debit side at their agreed value, and the profit and loss distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio.
Meaning of revaluation account.
Revaluation account means that account which is opened at the time of the constitution of firm. Under the revaluation account, assets and liabilities are increased. Assets, assets and liability are
देव क्या हो रहा
asset
है ये
वो.
बेटा?
Under the revaluation of assets and liabilities, value is recorded.
Sorry.
Increase and decrease value is recorded.
हाँ. तरीके से
If
सुनाओ.
if assets increase and liability decrease, it will be credited, and
कृष्णा ध्यान
asset
किधर है?
decrease. If assets decrease and liability increase, it will be debited.
Fixed capital method.
Fixed capital. Under the fixed capital method, two accounts is opened. One is partner capital account, and second is current account. Partner capital. Under the capital account, partner contribution is recorded in credit side, and balance remain unchanged in every year. Under the current account, partner salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital, partner profit, profits and are credited, and drawing interest on drawing losses are debited.
कहाँ पर डेबिटेड, कहाँ पर क्रेडिटेड, कौन से अकाउंट में?
Current account बोला तो था.
ओके फाइन. सौम्य शर्मा को द्वारा लूंगा मैं. सौम्य शर्मा.
Yes, sir.
फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड.
In which partners salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital is and drawing and interest on drawing is credit.
याद नहीं है बेटा, तुम रास्ते से भटक गई हो बेटा. तुम्हारी वो पढ़ाई नहीं चल रही चाहिए थी.
सर सही तो
सॉरी.
अगला क्वेश्चन सुनो सर, सुनाया.
फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड.
हाँ, तो trading capital method means that method one account is opened, that is partner's capital account, in which capital salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital, and profit are debited, and drawing interest on drawing and losses are debited.
Fixed capital method.
Fixed capital method means that a method in which two accounts are opened, that is partner's current account and partner's capital account. Under partner's capital account, only partner's contribution as capital are recorded, and the balance of this account is unchanged every year. Current account Under current account, partner's salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital, and losses are credited, and drawing interest on and losses are debited.
Okay, fine. Sneha Jain.
Yes, sir.
Sneha Jain.
Yes, sir.
Meaning of trading, sorry, difference between trading organizations and non-trading organizations.
The main object of a non-trading organization is to providing social services. The main object of trading organization is to earn maximum profit. Under final account, non-trading organization prepare a receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Under final account, non-trading organizations prepare uh, tra- uh, profit and loss account, trading account, and balance sheet. Non-trading organization generally adopted cash accounting system. Under trading organizations trading organizations generally adopted accrual accounting system. And a non-trading organization is the surplus of non-trading organization cannot be used for personal purpose. The surplus of trading organization can be used for personal purpose. Example, NGO, old age house, orphanage, health institutions. Examples of trading organization, uh, uh, a Tata Iron Limit, a Tata Iron and Steel Company, or these.
Okay. Next, characteristics of goodwill.
The main characteristics of goodwill are as follow. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Due to goodwill, a businessman can earn extra profit. Goodwill is a saleable asset. It means it can be sold. Goodwill cannot be depreciated. It can be written off. Goodwill, only purchase goodwill can be recorded in the books of account. Goodwill can be
Okay,
recorded.
rights of new partner in partnership. Rights of new partner in partnership firm.
The rights of new partner in a partnership firm are as follows: right to share in profit. A new partner can get the right to share in profit when he contribute as in capital. He receive his share from old capitals and from old partners, and old partners get compensation for their sacrifice, which is called a premium for goodwill. Right to share in firm property. A partner can get the right to share in firm property when he contribute capital which is depend on agreement.
Realization account.
Realization account means is that account which is prepared at the time of dissolution of firm to close the books of accounts. Under this account, all assets excluding cash and bank balance are debited, and all liabilities are credited. After transferring the assets and liabilities in the realization account, assets are realized in the credit side at an agreed price, and liabilities are paid off in the debit side, and some expenses may be incurred in the preparation of realization account. The balance which is remain is distributed between the partners in the profit sharing ratio.
Okay. Muskan Goyal.
Yes, sir.
अंधेरा कैसा है बेटा मुस्कान?
सर लाइट नहीं है।
तो मैं आपको थोड़ी देर से लूंगा, ठीक? खुशबू सेवरी,
यस सर। यस सर।
एक मिनट। खुशबू, what is an annuity suspense account and when it is prepared?
Okay, sir. Annuity suspense account means is that account which is prepared at the time of dissolution of firm or transferring of retiring partner shares. Under
Sorry,
this
sorry, sorry,
account,
sorry. It's not prepared at the time of dissolution of firm.
sorry, retirement of a
It's
partner.
prepared at the time of retirement or death of the partners.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sorry. At the time of retiring of a partner, and under this account, the annuity suspense account is prepared in which the retiring partner's share is transferred and a fixed amount is paid to the retiring partner with interest, and interest is calculated on balance amount in every year, and if the partner dies, then the balance of annuity suspense account is
छोटी सी मिस्टेक हो गई। A fixed amount is paid to retiring partner और death partner। आपने बोल दिया with interest, इसमें with interest नहीं होता है। A fixed amount is paid, fixed amount is paid to retiring partner or legal executor of death partner in whole life. In whole life. Interest is credited under this account, but interest not paid separately. ठीक है बेटा, थोड़ा सा यहाँ ध्यान रखना है, छोटी सी मिस्टेक आपको थोड़ी सी दिक्कत देगी, कोई बात नहीं। नाउ व्हेन death partner share transferred to annuity suspense account, what entry will be passed?
Yes, sir. When debt partner share is transferred to annuity suspense account, the following general entries will be passed. First, when debt partner share transferred to annuity suspense account, retiring partner share account, annuity suspense account. एक second, sir. Retiring partner share account debited to annuity suspense account.
रिटायरिंग पार्टनर शेयर नहीं, रिटायरिंग पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड या डेथ पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड to annuity suspense account.
Annuity suspense account. Second, when interest credited to annuity suspense account, annuity suspense account debited to interest account. Sorry, interest account.
हाँ,
Annuity suspense account debited to interest account.
एन्युटी सस्पेंस अकाउंट को डेबिट करोगे इंटरेस्ट, तो आपका बिजनेस की इनकम हो गई है, बिजनेस का खर्चा है, तो इंटरेस्ट डेबिटेड टू एन्युटी सस्पेंस अकाउंट।
And third, when a fixed amount paid to retiring partner, annuity suspense account debited to cash account. When interest transferred to profit and loss account debited to interest account.
Okay, meaning of goodwill.
Goodwill is an intangible fixed asset which cannot be seen and touched, and due to goodwill, a businessman can earn extra profit or extra money. We can say, in other words, goodwill is the name, fame, reputation, or popularity of business due to its.
Okay, which accounting standard applicable on goodwill?
Accounting standard 26 is applicable on goodwill.
Receipt and payment account is real or nominal?
Real.
Income and expenditure account is a personal or nominal?
Nominal.
Who prepare the income and expenditure accounts?
Non-trading organizations or professional persons.
Non-trading organization and professional person. 4 क्यों लगाया आपने?
And और लगा दिया था मैंने.
हाँ, और लगा सकते हैं.
और लगाया था सर.
हाँ, ठीक है. Who prepare the profit and loss accounts?
Trading organizations.
Cash accounting system generally adopted by
non-profit making organizations or professional persons.
What do you mean by cash accounting system?
Cash accounting system means is that accounting system in which all transactions are recorded on cash basis. It means cash payment is recorded when actually paid in cash, and cash received are recorded when actually received in cash. This accounting system is generally adopted by non-trading organizations and professional person, and under this account, if any credit transactions are done, then they are recorded in memorandum book. It is a very cheap accounting system in which a lot of books are not kept for recording the transactions, and accuracy can be checked easily with the help of this accounting system.
Okay, fine. Anushka Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Meaning of realization account.
Realization account means that account which is prepared at which is open in the time of revaluation of fund at the dissolution of firm for dispose of assets and liabilities when assets value transfer in debit side at their book value and liability are
Meaning of
transferred
goodwill.
only. Goodwill is
Meaning
an
of goodwill.
intangible fixed asset due to goodwill businessman can be an extra profit or money. Goodwill is also known as name and firm and reputation.
Fixed capital method.
Fixed capital method. Under this method, two accounts are open. Are open. That is partner capital account, partner current account. Under this account, balance of capital account remains unchanged in every years, and the salary, commission, um, bonus partners are credited in
Gaining
partner
ratio.
current account.
Meaning of gaining ratio.
Gaining ratio. When one or more partners are received any shares for exiting partner, then it is called the gaining ratio.
Sacrificing ratio.
When one or more partners are transfer his share in favor is in exiting partner is called sacrificing ratio.
Formula of gaining ratio.
Gaining ratio formula, old ratio minus new ratio minus old ratio.
Sacrificing ratio का formula.
Old ratio minus new ratio.
Under fixed capital method, interest on capital transfer in current account or in capital account.
क्या सर?
Under fixed capital method, interest on drawing transfer to in capital account or partner's current accounts.
Current account.
Okay, partner current account is real, nominal, personal.
Personal.
Personal. Partner's capital account is a nominal or personal.
Personal.
Real account is about receipt and payment account is real or nominal.
Real.
Realization account is real, nominal.
Nominal.
Revaluation account is nominal or real.
Nominal account.
Nominal
Account.
account. Receipt and payment account is a
क्या सर?
receipt and payment account is a dot.
Receipt and payment account is real account.
Income and expenditure account is a dot.
Nominal account.
Okay, fine. नंबर था इधर आ जाओ अंजलि दत्तो ने मैडम चेहरा देखो कैश अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम नंबर था
Cash accounting system is that accounting system in which transaction recording are. सर ये रहने दो.
अगेन कैश अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम
Cash accounting system is that accounting system in which transaction recording on cash basis means when cash received, when transaction recorded on cash basis, the cheap accounting system is not accepted by law, and in this concept,
cash account is not accepted by law. So यही तो है.
Income and expenditure accounts.
Income and expenditure account means that account whose main object is to find out surplus and deficit is covered by non-trading organizations. It's a nominal account covered at the end of the accounting year. In this account, only revenue receipts and expenses are recorded. In this account, adjustment is the outside of the accrued income and depreciation is also recorded. It is prepared just like a P&L account. It's a nominal.
Revaluation account.
Revaluation account means that account which is prepared at the time of reconstitution of firm under discount increase and decrease value of assets and liabilities are recorded. It's a nominal account. Account of asset value increase the liability value decrease and it is credited. And if asset value decrease the liability value increase and it is debited.
Fixed capital method.
Fixed capital method means that method in which two accounts are opened, partners capital account, partners current account, and partners capital account balance is remain unchanged, and this account interest on capital, share in profit, or salary, commission, bonus is credited, interest on drawing, and share and loss is debited.
Differential between gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio.
The main difference between carrying ratio and sacrificing ratio are as follows. Gaining ratio means when at least one or two partners received any share from existing partner, that is known as gaining ratio.
Endowment fund.
Endowment fund means a donation or gift which is given by an individual person to a non-trading organization as per will permanently. It is a capital receipt recorded in the liability side of balance sheet.
Okay, fine.